By the way, आयुष क्या बोल रहे हैं ये सब का जो हम लाइक आप हमारे ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बन गई एन्ड देन अब 2-3 महिना 3 months त भयो हामीले काम गरिरहेछौँ होइन अनि आयुषले यति सपोर्ट गर्नुहुन्छ तपाईँलाई म त एकदमै आई लभ इट होइन तपाईँसँग काम गर्नै अगाडि पनि अफकोर्स आयुष र तपाईँको जुन माया छ सपोर्ट छ माया मात्र भएर हुँदैन कि sometimes there can be love but you know boyfriends, husbands, fiancés don't support what you want to do. Sometimes even the girl also doesn't support what the man wants to do.
True.
And you know, so love is there, but other support nahi hota hai, to fir then it's not complete. ना? मगर आपके जो है, I always felt that ये दो बहुत अच्छा है, like you are so young, you two, and you are supporting each other and going ahead. Luckily, my husband has always been supportive of what I wanted to do. That's why I am able to do this much. एक तो अपने में होना चाहिए, but second अपना family, in my case, my husband. If he doesn't support, I will not be able to. It's really important. So
Really important.
I want to say thank you to Ayush also for supporting you.
I also want to thank him.
But what's his feedback? So वो तो एकदम मजे से दिख रहा होगा क्या
Didi, he feels proud. I think I'm making him proud because every time I'm seeing him, he like उसके कोई plans होते हैं ना काम का plan है ये वो so थोड़े time के लिए he stops that and वो मेरे साथ shoot पे जाता है just to see okay and then whenever something is dropping he मुझसे ज़्यादा वो excited होता है and never he repost never कुछ भी repost नहीं करता but for my videos वो फौरन repost करता है काजल नैना दीदी वाली पता है you look stunning in that yes बोलता है कि ये सबसे अच्छी लगती है मुझे because he's like कि डिफरेंट ही लगती हो तुम लाइक जब मंगलसूत्र पहनती हो तो तुम ऐसा लगता है कि मैरिड हो जब पर्ल्स पहनती हो ऐसा लगता है तुम ऑफिस वाली हो so yeah also he also loved that pearl wali jewelry जो अभी out नहीं हुआ है look so he also loved that he was like you looking like a पुराने जमाने की heroine
that's really nice. That's
really
nice.
supportive.
Actually he is एक्चुअली आयुष और मैं साथ में साइड में भी कुछ टॉक्स हो रहा है आपको अभी नहीं बोलेंगे सरप्राइज आएगा बाद में
oh really
इतना तो बोल ही दिया एक्साइटमेंट में अभी मैं मगर हाँ
oh my god
yeah we're planning something special I mean from KN we are planning and inputs है ना उनके भी so
oh this is so cute oh my I just love when he surprised me
yeah
just love it
yeah
there's a surprise coming for me guys I'm excited
yes,
दीदी you can
yes.
tell me मैं किसी को नहीं बताऊंगी
मे बी सबके साथ आप भी देखोगे पता नहीं क्या होगा ना anyway so today I have like a lot of them घर में even last evening I took it from office and brought it home and oh my god jewelry small होता है ना like so much even like sorting and this morning I was like okay कहाँ से शुरू करें कहाँ से end करें
ऐसे ही है अभी तो सब बैठे हैं कब दिखाएंगे
exactly
क्या है वो स्पेशल चीज
so I'm going to start soon so अभी okay फर्स्ट स्पेशल चीज दिखा दे आप है तो उसी से स्टार्ट करेंगे फिर आप आपके दिन शुरू कर सकते हैं आई नो यू हैव लॉट ऑफ वर्क आल्सो
अदरवाइज मुझे भी क्यूरियोसिटी रहेगी दीदी
क्या थी ना सो आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फर्स्ट इट इज नॉट इन आवर वेबसाइट एंड इट इज समथिंग दैट आई हैव डिजाइंड 4 years ago and since then everyone has loved it and it's a very special piece आपने भी लगाया है मगर the different version and एक ही piece है stock में अभी तो ये Black Friday price में आएगा so whoever has been wanting it since 1 year 2 year 3 year अभी हमको follow करके oh I wish बोल रहे हैं मगर you know it's a big piece so price के लिए कुछ है तो this is the time to get it and I'm going to show you okay you've worn the other version of this so guys we're just gonna start off by showing the first surprise if you hang on there is a second surprise also later that I'll keep it for later only for those who stay so
Oh, wow.
So this,
Lali Guras with the pearls.
yes, this is our Mountain Beauty Lali Guras. This is a very special piece. As soon as I made it, I this went for a competition in Singapore Design Awards. So all international designers were competing, and I competed with my special Lali Guras, which was inspired by our home Nepal, right?
Wow.
And we actually won first in the design competition with this. So this has won, and
Amazing.
there was another Lali Guras which I won in Italy. We won bronze award in Italy, but in Singapore we won the first gold award. So this is
Wow.
one piece, only one piece for sale price, and we will have it at a very, very, very special 30% off one piece. Because it's one piece. I was like, okay, and 30%, it's a lot when you talk about these kind of jewelry, which means whatever I made it for, I'm just giving it away, because we are also celebrating. Now every year we finish a year, we like to celebrate. So you, as a business, of course, you can't just give away everything like that,
No.
but sometimes we like to do some special things for our clients, and this is at 30% off. Anyone who wants, you can DM us, and our customer support will
This is
will
beautiful.
and this one is actually, अभी ये बैक में दिखा देती हूँ, brooch भी है. So
Oh,
this is
yes.
coming with a necklace, and let me just show you once. I can put it through my head because it's a long one, so I'm just gonna. So it's so beautiful. It stays like this. Imagine if you're wearing something like अभी तो I'm just wearing like this dress, so नहीं कह पाती मगर see, even from back, like you're wearing something, and it's a long necklace. We can even customize short necklaces for this. We have had customers who have made chokers like this.
Wow.
Choker कर सकते हैं because ये निकलते हैं, ये pearl part जो है you can replace. And so I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna show you. So I just wanted to show you as well because I haven't showed now.
No.
So
Yes.
see, I can take it out.
Oh.
Because I thought these big pieces that come at a price point. So if it comes at a price point, let me give the best value to the customer who loves it. So see, now ye pearl necklace, they can make it into a pearl necklace and wear only this also like this. ये भी कर सकते हैं मिला के, right? So
Two
one was,
in one.
so this
Guys,
is
you're getting two
नहीं
in
नहीं
one.
नहीं, not two in one. So
Three
one
in
हो
one.
गया, this is two in one हो गया. Now three in
Okay.
one, ये brooch हो सकता है. So it's so exciting. So I will pin it in my sari, coat, whatever I'm wearing, and shawl winter का है तो, and it becomes a
Oh,
big
wow.
nicely. इतना दूर से भी ये दिखाई देता है because it's a big beautiful piece.
Beautiful.
Diamond, coral, like the even leaves and all I have replicated with gemstone. ये सब custom cut करवाए हैं, beautiful pearls. So ये है हमारा नेपाल का
Lali Guras.
Aliguras.
National
And
flower.
this is when I designed, I wanted to bring the waterfalls of Nepal. Nepal is, we are very proud that Nepal has all the highest mountain, 8 out of 10 highest mountain in the world. And so
Yes,
we
yes.
are very rich in fresh water. हाम्रो
Water,
पानीको
yes.
चाहिँ एकदमै हामी धनी हो कि नेपालीहरू.
Yes, yes.
So तपाईँ travel गर्दाखेरि you have traveled so much in Nepal now. आप तो नेपाल के बुहारी रानी हो गया. So हमारा नेपाल में बहुत travel. So there is a lot of waterfalls.
I have seen it.
So this is the splash of a waterfall.
Oh.
And ये pearls जो है पानी का बूंद होता है, like the थोपा थोपा पानीको थोपा splash हुँदाखेरिको त्यो मैले सोचेको चाहिँ है. अनि यहाँनिर डायमन्ड्सहरू देख्नुहुन्छ. So this is the third, is that you can use it as a pendant. If I have a thick gold chain or kuch mein, so I can just take the gold chain and put it on. Yeah, there is a way to put it, and you can wear it like a chain maybe with a gold chain. Say pearl look is very big look, and I want a medium look. Then put it on a gold chain like a nice. Some people make long necklace, long gold chain में डाल देते हैं, कोई short में डाल देते हैं. And also for the pearls, we can put it in 1 strand, 2 strand, 3 strand. There is a special mechanism हाम्रो एउटा एकदम मिलाएर मैले डिजाइन गरेको छु. So you see, एउटा तपाईले लिनु हुँदा कति धेरै युज हुन्छ कि यसको. And especially अब साडी कुर्तामा पनि मिल्यो, तर at the same time you are in a suited look and you want to look really, even for big business meetings, conferences मा बोलायो भने, अब if you are working,
Yes.
अब घरमै तपाईको साथीभाइहरुसँग जानु छ, there is a nice gathering, but if you wear the full look, maybe like it's a wedding party look, but I don't want a wedding party look, then just take this out, put it, and go for your, brunch with your friends. Some
Wow.
I don't know, people call invite for some dinners, lunch के लिए invite होते हैं, तो you can wear it. So that was my intention when I made this, and today 30% off my यो Black Friday मा आउँदैछ, जोलाई interested हुनुहुन्छ, only one, so please snatch
One
it.
piece.
Yes, so that is that.
Wow. I
Anyway,
think this is more like a emotion as well, pata hai. People who are away from Nepal, they can literally feel it कि oh wow, हमारे लिए something special है. जैसे कि business woman है, अब उनको वो तो अपनी हर जगह सोचते होंगे ना कि हम अगर बाहर भी हैं तो अपना नेपाल तो अपना नेपाल है. So they can be like हाँ ये पीस तो होना चाहिए ऑफिस वेयर में, ऑफिस मीटिंग्स में, इस तरीके से. This is really pretty, very pretty.
it's very
Wow.
true, and I think आपने जो बोली, that is what happened to me also, because I was out of Nepal. So when I became a jeweler, it's one of the first things I designed, and I saw market में तो like clothes में बहुत होते थे, मगर jewelry
Yes.
में नहीं था. So when I first made it in 20, actually I made it in 2019. It's been quite a while. So when I made it, I did not see market research भी किया मैंने. जब कोई idea आता है तो like business के लिए,
But
then you
yeah.
do. If everyone has already made it, why should I make it also? Sometimes if it's a
Mm.
special. Then I saw कोई भी नहीं बनाया, and then the idea that I had वो तो और भी नहीं था, किसी की ने बनाया नहीं था. So I thought, okay. So the first thing that came was big pieces, and then this year finally I made the small pieces, because a lot of people were like, Didi, please make smaller ones also, because sometimes it's
Yes.
not affordable maybe to buy the big one. Sometimes maybe they want to wear more regular one. इसीलिए, and brooches also. This brooch actually can go for men and women both. Coat lapel में भी
Oh,
लगा सकते हैं. So different. You've worn it. You've used it
yes.
every day के लिए. It goes so well. So these are the ones we छोटे वाले is coming. It came later, but this has also really got the attention. So I'm happy. Yeah.
I think this Black Friday